Hello, today we will guide you through how to create items in Square Dashboard. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a new product so it's ready to sell, and I'll share helpful tips along the way to keep your catalog clean and consistent. Start by opening the Square Dashboard homepage. From the main navigation, choose Items to access your product tools. Next, select Item Library. Think of the item library as the central list of everything you sell. This is where you'll add new items and manage existing ones. In the item library, choose Create an Item. You'll be prompted to pick what kind of item you're adding. Select Physical Good, since we're creating a tangible product. Then click Next to move into the Item Details screen. Now add the item name. Use a clear, searchable title your team and customers will recognize. A good approach is to include the product name plus a defining detail, like size or flavor, if it helps people find it faster. Avoid internal codes here. You can use separate fields for SKUs later. Enter the price. This is the amount that will ring up at checkout. If you use consistent pricing across locations, keep it standard here. You can always fine-tune per location within the item settings if needed. Double check for typos. Small mistakes can create confusion at the register. Next, open the item type field in the Details panel. Confirm it reflects a physical product and choose how it's sold, typically by each, but some businesses sell by weight or by unit. Pick the option that matches how you track and charge for this item. From here, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the remaining fields. These commonly include optional but very useful settings like category for reporting and organization, SKU or internal ID for inventory tracking, visibility controls to determine where the item appears, and stock tracking if you want Square to decrement inventory as you sell. You may also see options for variations such as size or color, and modifiers like add-ons or special instructions. If you have product photos available, adding a clear image can help staff and customers identify the item quickly. Use these fields to match the way you actually sell and restock the product. When everything looks correct, click Save in the top right corner. If Save is unavailable, scan the form for any required fields you might have missed. After saving, you'll return to the item library where your new product now appears and is ready to use. You can reopen it anytime to make adjustments as your catalog evolves. That's it. You've created a new item in the Square Dashboard, set up the key details, and saved it to your library.